Hello, everyone. As always, Michael Bean here. I've gotten a few emails of people kind of freaking out, going, "I can't kick ass. That's my Khan Academy lesson. What do I do? Oh my god!" If you're experiencing that issue, I got you. I'm gonna walk through this. So, on my end, as a teacher, when I click on assignment to send out to you guys, it shows that everyone gets it. I know sometimes on the student end, it doesn't show up that way. So, what do we do on this end in order to make that happen? So, I've logged into Khan Academy. This is the main page that it takes me to. If you look right here, it says assignments, courses, progress, profile, teachers. If I click on assignments, it shows all the things I need to get done. You can tell I'm doing a terrible job of doing that right now because this stuff's due Sunday at 11 and I haven't even started yet. Oh no! So you may not have anything under assignments. If it's completely empty here, you don't want that to happen. So we're going to click on courses. And right now, what I did as a teacher, I enrolled everyone in the grammar course. So it shows the grammar showing up. But if for some reason you don't have grammar showing up, I got you. We're going to fix that right now. Okay. What I want you to do, see this blue button that says edit courses? You're going to click on that magical blue button. Okay. So click there. And it shows everything that I can do with Khan Academy. And right now it says I'm enrolled in 8th grade reading and vocabulary beta, which I don't need that right now. I can click that and make it go away. But you should see one that says grammar, okay? That's the big thing. Reading language arts, grammar. Make sure you click on grammar if it's not already checked for you, okay? Continue with one course, and boom, it shows up grammar, okay? Um, I'll show you what it looks like if I don't. If I unclick that, it won't let me move forward until I pick something. So if I click Algebra 1, oops, it's going to change to Algebra 1 over here. Now, I don't want to take Algebra 1 right now because I'm not a math teacher and this is not a math class. So I'm going to get rid of Algebra 1 and go back down to grammar. Okay? Continue with one course, and boom, you should see it. Like I said, on my end, it shows everyone has been assigned the same load, which is parts of speech, the noun. Um, and it should be a walk in the park. All these lessons are easy to follow along with. You do not want to wait until Sunday afternoon to get this done. So make sure you start now. I know it's Friday at 12 o'clock, so you still got plenty of time to get it done. But for some reason, you can't get into grammar. Now you know how to do it. You can just click start, and boom, I can start with that. And I've got my first video right there. Got everything down here that I need to do on the left hand side. If you need help, send me an email. What I'll probably do is respond back and say, send me your phone number, and I'm going to call you to walk you through it over the phone. So don't be shocked if I say, hey, send me your number, or send me mom and dad's number, or grandma's number, somebody I can call to walk you through over the phone. So don't hesitate to email me or tweet me, whatever you need to do. Hopefully this video helps. Um, yeah, I think that's it. So holler at me if you need help. Bye bye.